Says Nike. Menendez, thanks for the roses. Oh my god, Matthew. Matthew, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the heart puffs. Ramen, thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys are the best. Oh my gosh, love you all. I don't know why, but it won't light up in my gift gal. The hand mustache will not light up where the hand hearts. Mendez, thank you so much for the heart puffs. How's everyone's week's been? It is Friday Eve. Drake drops tonight. I can't wait. Thanks for the follows, chat. Make sure you're following me. We're almost at 10K likes. Keep tapping your screen. Thank you for the heart puffs. Oh my gosh, all gifts are appreciated so much. Menendez, thank you. Seth, thank you for the high bears. Aiden, thank you. Menendez, thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys are so generous. I appreciate it so much. Oh my god, what is this person doing out here? Thank you, Aiden. Oh my gosh, Aiden's going crazy with the roses. Thank you, hun. I really appreciate it. Matt, thanks for being a long time watcher. Chava, thank you. I appreciate it. Koi, thanks for being thanks for the follow. Almost 400 people on the live. Oh my god, everyone drop a comment. What was that? 10K likes. Damn. Bro, I did not. You did not think I was on TikTok? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I actually wasn't on TikTok. My TikTok, honestly, I've literally only had since July. So, I mean, it's almost a year now, but I did pretty good, I think. Funny boy, thanks for the follow. Patience, thanks for the follow. Maris, thanks for the follow. Cano, thanks for the rose. I will do a 360 at 100K likes. Manny, thanks for the follow. You remembered what? When I started? Aiden, Manny, thank you so much for the gifts. Oh my god, you guys are so sweet. I love you all. Danny, hey, welcome in. No face, welcome in. Danny, thanks for the follow. The Nike Pros, yes. Yes, I got the Nike Pros. I made sure to wear them today for you. Nathan, Boo Boo, thank you so much for the rose. Oh my gosh. Hi, welcome in, welcome in. You found me. I'm so happy you found me. Aw. Oh my god, almost 500 people in the live. Drop a comment. Tell me where you're from. Your algorithm knows exactly what you like. Aw. Aiden, thank you so much for all the roses. If you see this, say hi, Jane. Hi, Mala. Oh my gosh. Aw, I love you guys. Love you. Thank you for all the follows. Nidu, Adam, hi, welcome in. Aiden, you like the Nike Pros? They were requested to be worn. If you want to see any of my outfits, you can request them, and I will probably wear them on live. But it has to be, you know, something appropriate. Did I change my hairstyle? No. No, I did not. Well, I usually have my glasses up here. Thank you so much. Or can I change my hairstyle to what? Alberto, thanks for the follow. Cody, thanks for the follow. Wilmer, thank you. Follow Wilmer, thank you. Follow Wilmer, thank you. Roses today. Thank you so much for the ice cream. I actually had Rita's today. Ricky, thanks for being a long time watcher. I do follow back for a Galaxy or equivalent. Changed my hair to up. I had my hair up earlier, like in the day, so, and I just washed it, so it's hair down time. Tony, thank you. Hi, welcome in, JC. What state have I been living? I'm from Jersey. Blake, thank you so much for the follow. What's my favorite color? It's pink. I love pink, especially like this, like baby pink. It definitely looks white on camera, but Roberto, thank you. Joel, thanks for the follow. Cody, thanks for being a long-time watcher. New Jersey, USA, yes, you are correct. Richie, thank you so much, Richie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Lewis, I am not like that. Richie, thank you so much for 50 roses. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. You've been to the other Jersey, the one in UK that New Jersey is named after. Aiden, oh my god, Aiden, thank you so much for the roses. RJ, thanks for your long-time watcher. We see his baguette. Oh my gosh, okay. Mateo, thanks for the follow.